In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to a Meta Business Suite account. Whether you're managing social media for a small business, coordinating marketing efforts, or simply need some extra hands to help out with your business online, ensuring that you can easily and securely add users to your Meta Business Suite is crucial. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to the settings within your Meta Business Suite. This is your central hub for managing all the essential features and permissions associated with your business's online presence. Once you're in the settings, look for the option labeled People. This section is specifically designed to help you manage your team members and collaborators, making it easier to integrate new users into your existing workflow. After you've found the People section, you'll want to click on the option to invite new people. This is usually indicated by a plus Invite People button. Clicking on this will open up a prompt where you can enter the new user's email address. Make sure to double check this email for accuracy because this is where the invite will be sent. It's a good idea to verify the email directly with the person you're inviting to avoid any delays in the process. Once you've entered the correct email address, the next step will involve determining the level of access you want to grant the new user. You'll need to decide between partial or full access based on the role or responsibilities they will have in your organization. Partial access might be suitable for someone handling specific tasks, whereas full access could be necessary for someone taking on a broader or managerial role. After setting the level of access, you'll move on to assigning specific assets and permissions. This is where you can tailor the access to various parts of the Meta Business Suite according to the precise needs of the user. Be specific about which tools, pages, or features the user will need to interact with regularly, keeping in mind transparency and security concerns for your business. Meticulously assigning these permissions not only enhances productivity, but also safeguards your business by ensuring that the user only accesses the parts of the system necessary for their role. Finally, once everything is configured to your satisfaction, click Send Invitation. This will prompt Meta Business Suite to send an email invitation to join your business account, complete with the permissions you've specified. Once your invitee receives and accepts this invitation, they'll have access to the account according to the permissions you've designated. And there you have it. A straightforward way to add users to your Meta Business Suite, equipped to expand your business's reach while keeping everything secure and organized. Remember, taking the time to manage user permissions thoughtfully is essential to maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your operations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your Meta Business Suite.